Hi guys, welcome to third generation. So today we are going to learn how to create a Java login page by using Netbeans IDE. So you can see the login page that I've already created. So I'm going to create this from the scratch with you. So I'm just close this, and now I'm going to take a new project, and there I have select Java and go to next. And if there's a tick on this main class, please remove it, and I'm going to give a name as Java app, and then you can see my project has been created. So now I'm going to take a new Java package, and there I just leave the default name. If you want to change, you can change it. So just finish it and then go to new package, and there I'm going to take a new JFrame form. So I just give it as login and finish it, and there you can see in the new window we can see a panel like this, and I just maximize it a little bit, and now I'm going to I'll take the mouse into that, and just simply click the right on mouse and then go to properties and then go to code, and there's have a generate center, and I just tick on it. What happened is when we run the application is generate center when we do that. So now I'm taking a panel like this and maximize it into the whole panel, and yeah, now I just simply click my mouse and right click on it and then go to properties, and there you can see background. I'm just change the background into white. You can change whatever color you want, so just click on OK, and now I'm going to take another panel and make it half in from the whole panel, and yep, like this. Now I will go properties on it and then change the color, and I have already made the code and for the color code, and you can just see this color code, and whatever color you want to change it, and I just use this color code, and just simply close it, and yep, now I'm going to take the image. So I simply take the Java label from here, and then click on the label and just go to properties, and there you can see something called icon, and just click on that three dots and just import the icon. There you can you have to select the location, so and that my icon is in the desktop, and this is that icon travel. So I'm click next and just finish it, and you can see the icon has been imported. So I'll maximize it a little bit and make it center, and now I have to put text. So I will take another J label and a little bit maximize, and just go to properties, and there you can change font into bold and font size into 24. I don't change the font family, but you can change it whatever you want. And now I'll give the name as global tech, whatever name if you want you can give it. So I'll make it into the center, and now you can see the name has been changed. I don't change the font family. If you want to change the font family, you can change it, but I don't change it. So now I'm going to take another text field into here. You can see just like this. Maximize it. Okay, and now I'm going to take a password field just like this. Okay, now I'm going to edit the text field. Just click on the text field and go to properties, and there you can see the background. I'm changed the background color into the same background color as the previous one. So now I am changing the color. Now I'm changing the text into bold, size into 14, and color into white. Color into white. Now I'm going to change the text into username. User. Okay, now I have to change the border, so I leave it as no border. So let's see. Now it look like this. So I'll do the same thing into the password field as well. Control V and change the color and make it bold, 14, and make it center. No, just leave it as leading. It's better. So now I have to remove the border as well. So I'm from border, no border, and I have to change the color from the font and make it white. And now it look like this. So I have to take a separator and I'll make it a little bit large. Okay, now I will change the properties on it and make it into 7 or maybe 8. Yep. And alignment Y, I'll make it into 8 as well, and I changed the foreground color into white. Now you can see it's look like this, and I'll simply copy this separator, make it copy and come into here and paste it in here. So you can see there is a 2, and I'll take this. Okay, now it look like this, and I have to a little bit maximize this. Okay, now it look like this. So now we have to put 2 buttons, and I'll take the label. So take a label from here and go to properties and just first of all I'm going to give a name as sign in, and now I have to change the color of the text into white, and I'm going to change the size into 18. Yep, it's good, and make it center, and then I have to add some border. There's the border. Now you can see there's a border, and just go there, and I'm going to change the color into white. Okay, now it look good. Yep, now it look like this, and I'll take another one. I'll make it into 14, and now I'll do this and make it a name into sign up. Okay, now I'll make this into center and change the size into 14, and make it color into white. And also I'm going to change the border, and border, make it white, and look like this. So now we have created our login page. So right now we have completed our designing part of this login page. So we are going to code it in the next part in the video. So the video has been too long now, so we are going to code in the next video. So just keep it touch, and you have to do some kind of decorations as well for this. If you want change these decorations, you can change it. So I'll teach you how to code in the next video.